Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to join a Zoom call for the very first time. My name is William White and let's get started. Most of you know that lots of things have changed over the last few months. For example, the ability to actually interview in person. So as a result of that, most companies, most people who are hiring, they've basically started doing virtual interviews. Most recruiters and employers say that even though the COVID may end soon, hopefully, a lot of recruiters and employers plan on continuing to do virtual interviews, as you can see here by the stats. The good thing about most of these video conferences and virtual websites is the fact that most of them are actually free. The main one, Zoom, which is the one we're going to be looking at, is free for its basic plan. Now, again, understand that you do not have to have an account to attend a meeting or to join a meeting or an interview. That's pretty much the same for the other providers as well, like GoToWebex. So to get started with Zoom, head to their website. It's usually the zoom.us, and click on the sign up button that's at the top right corner of the screen. Again, other sites like GoTo, Skype, WebEx, and others, the setups are nearly identical, and again, free to join. Usually you have two options when it comes to creating a Zoom account. You can either create a new account using your work email address or your email address, or you can sign in using your Google or Facebook account. If you're using Zoom for work purposes, for example, or if you have a nice professional email address, by all means, please use that to sign up for your Zoom account. And here you're going to be presented with this screen, and put in your information, hit sign up. What's going to happen is you're going to get a link, an email link to confirm your email address. So click on the link to go to Zoom's sign up assistant, sign and use your credentials again. And then you're going to download the desktop app in the Zoom client from Zoom's website for easy access. Okay. Again, once you get the confirmation link, you're gonna fill in the registration page, first name, last name. Next page, you can invite other people as well to create a free Zoom account if you want to. Or you can skip that step as well. And again, after you get the link, click on the link, and you'll get the Start Meeting Now button to start a test meeting. Definitely check that out. Copy the URL onto your browser, or click the orange button, and you should be prompted to download the Zoom desktop app. And again, if there are some minimum instructions, so follow the prompts to install the app. Once you install the app, you'll see a join meeting button or sign in button. Click sign in, enter your email and your password, and go ahead and sign in. And again, if you've used Facebook or Google, click one of those two, or if you want to use one of those two, click that. And once you've logged in, make sure you're on the home tab, and then click the orange new meeting button. Okay. This screen basically is showing you what it's going to look like. Again, if you wanted to simply just join the meeting, click join the meeting. And then if you have a meeting ID, you can add your designated meeting ID. If someone is asking you to join a meeting or to join an interview, they're going to forward you or email you details, a link. Inside that link, you'll notice that you'll have designated meeting ID, and you can go ahead and type that in there, or you can copy and paste it in there as well. Also, some people may stick a password along with the meeting ID. If they do, make sure you either copy or write down that password so you can include that as well, because after you put in your meeting ID, they'll ask for a password if that's the security that they've set up, and you'll be in. And if you want to start your own meeting, you can do that as well. Maybe you want to invite someone on to chat or to do an interview. You can go to zoom.us and toggle over to at the top right corner. You can toggle over to host a meeting, and you can choose if you want to use the video camera or not. Sign in with your credentials, launch the app, send out meeting details, and you can start your meeting. A really cool feature that Zoom has is the ability to be able to share your screen. So let's say there are some notes or even a resume that you wanted someone on the other end to see. You can do that easily with Zoom. There is a share screen at the bottom of the window there, at the bottom of your screen. It's usually a green little icon that says share screen. So again, if you've got your, for example, resume on file, open up your resume, click share screen, click on the screen that has the image of your resume, and the person on the other end can see your document. And when you're done, you can simply just click the stop sharing. Here are some fantastic resources for more information on how to use Zoom, or actually even to use some of the other special features that Zoom has to offer. Also, again, like I said earlier, don't forget that GoTo, WebEx, and Skype, pretty much all of their sign-ins are extremely similar. Basically, you go into their website, clicking the sign up or sign in tab, clicking on the sign in tab, and putting your information, your email address, creating yourself a password. And again, actually signing up for one of these video conferencing websites is extremely beneficial, and it actually makes the process easier in the future. For example, if someone sends you something, a link to meet up or to join a meeting, click on that link, it automatically opens up, as opposed to having to find where to do this or where to do that. So again, check out some of these resources here. Zoom, of course. There's a couple other fantastic websites out there too that give you plenty of information on how to actually use some of the features that some of these virtual websites have. Again, if you're having any troubles whatsoever with joining Zoom or signing up for Zoom, reach out to me. My email address is wwhite@jjc.edu. Hopefully this has been somewhat helpful.